everyone, it's Christiane from the Cooking RX, and today I'm going to share with you my top 5 pantry staples that I stopped buying at the grocery store once I got my Thermomix. Some of these items will help you save money and others are pretty comparable, but what's important to me is being able to control what ingredients go inside. So I can control the amount of sugar or salt and not add any of those preservatives. Alright, so let's jump in. The number 1 pantry staple that I stopped buying at the grocery store since I got my Thermomix is homemade nut milk. I usually make my own almond milk and it's really easy to do in the Thermomix. Speaking of almonds, number 2 is my own almond flour. So you just drop that into your mixing bowl. Cover it with the lid. And in 3 seconds, we're going to have some flour. I'm going to turn it all the way up. Alright, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. Super quick, super easy to make. And I have almond flour. In the Thermomix, it's really easy to make your own almond flour, oat flour, and you can do it in under a minute. Number 3 is homemade jam. It takes about 40 minutes to make your own homemade jam in the Thermomix. You can scale to as big or as small of a batch that you want to, and it's really easy to do. You only need a few simple ingredients like sugar, some frozen or fresh fruit, and lemon juice. Pectin is usually optional because if you have lemon juice, you usually don't need very much pectin. My 4th pantry staple that I stopped buying since I got my Thermomix is homemade vegetable stock paste. It's really easy to make it at home and you can put it in the freezer or keep it in the refrigerator for a couple months. Finally, my 5th pantry staple is whipped cream. It is really easy to make in the Thermomix and all you have to do is keep a carton of heavy whipping cream in your fridge. And when you're ready, just insert the butterfly whisk and you have whipped cream in less than a minute. So those are my top 5 pantry staples that I've stopped buying since I got my Thermomix. I'd love to hear what you guys have been making with yours.